everything that the team has done?
No, very, very pleasing. We knew when we came into the series, we knew there will be some challenges that we have to face, but we came out pretty well facing those challenges, and whatever was thrown at us, we responded pretty well throughout the series.
How amazing is it? We always say that sport is a great leveler, cricket is a great leveler. You played this scintillating innings and you get a delivery like that first up.
I mean, there's nothing I could have done about that. You got to give credit to the bowler as well.
Listen.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, look, the bowlers are there to hit you out. And you are there to face those challenges as a batter. Sometimes, you are lucky that it misses the bat, and, it's a good ball, and you just appreciate the ball and then move on from there. But, I just nicked the ball. Second ball I was facing, I couldn't have done too much about that.
As a skipper and as a team management, I suppose you throw lots of challenges within the group. And this group has done exceptionally well against a big ticket side like England. When you think of the Champions Trophy, what are the things which you as a captain want that improvement? I know you will say that you want to improve everywhere, but some of the marginal improvements where you want to tighten up.
I don't see there was anything wrong that we did in this series. There are some areas, but I'm not going to sit here and discuss about it, stand here and discuss about it. There are obviously regular chats that happens within the group, and the players are quite comfortable having those chats. And, it's only to make sure that, we as a team is moving forward. It's not about individual. This is not an individual sport. It is about the team. And whatever it takes for us to move forward, all 11 of us, including, the guys who are outside as well, wanting to do different things at different times. Those are the things that we regularly talk with the players, and then it's up to the players to accept that and go out there and, just keep delivering. And we are there. It's our job to make sure that there is some consistency as well within the squad. We try and keep things very clear. Those are the things we can try and do. But in terms of, the skills, I think a near perfect skills, throughout the series. There's nothing that I can sit here and discuss. Obviously, I'll again say that because that is where, a good team or a champion team looks forward to, of getting better every game. And, we want to improve in every aspect of that. So I would look at that and, move forward from there.
357 is what you achieved in the end, and it felt as if possibly there could be a bit more. Was that something which you felt, or were you happy with the score you got?
I'm very happy at the end. When you start an innings, there is nothing particular target that we discuss about. We want to have that intent. We want to keep playing the shots that each guys can do, play. But again, having said that, there is a little bit of freedom that we want to have in the squad. To go out there and play the way we are supposed to play. A year and a half back, the World Cup was a perfect example of that. So we want to continue to do that. We want to continue to build on that. Obviously, we've not played a lot of ODI cricket after that, but again, what we did there is something that we want to continue to do again and again. There will be times where things will not fall into place, but that's okay.
Rohit, really well done to you and your side. I'm not going to hold you any longer. Really well done. May I request you to go and collect the IDFC First Bank Trophy.
Thank you.